Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Grado GS1000E. First, remove the stock pads by gently pulling them off the lip mount. Next, grab your new earpads by Dekoni Audio. The pads are symmetrical and can be mounted on either side. Our pads have a flexible backing that allows them to easily stretch over the mounting lip. Align the pad, then slowly stretch it around the mounting lip, pressing on the inside with your finger to ensure that it's fully seated. Then, repeat the process once more for the other side. Now you're ready to enjoy the enhanced comfort and sound of your earpads by Dekoni Audio.